Understanding Rope Over the Pulley, an English idiom explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English easy and fun. Today, we're diving into an interesting expression, rope over the pulley. This phrase might seem straightforward, but it has intriguing applications in everyday English. Stay tuned as we explore its meaning, origin, and how you can use it in conversations. The phrase, rope over the pulley, is not a commonly used idiom in English, and it might actually be a mix-up or a specific technical description rather than an idiom. In general, when a rope is mentioned in conjunction with a pulley, it describes a simple machine used to lift or move objects with less effort. The pulley system is a classic concept in physics, where a wheel with a groove along its edge is used to change the direction of a force applied to a rope or cable. However, let's get creative and explore how this concept could be metaphorically applied in language, as if it were an idiom. Imagining rope over the pulley as an idiom, it could symbolize efficiency and ease in achieving a task, thanks to the mechanical advantage provided by the pulley system. Understanding the origin of pulleys helps appreciate their metaphorical usage. Pulleys have been used since ancient times, making tasks easier by distributing weight and changing force directions. This concept of facilitating work and overcoming obstacles with the help of a simple machine can be a powerful metaphor in language, suggesting that a complex problem can be solved more easily with the right approach or tools. While rope over the pulley might not be a standard expression, let's explore how it could be used, assuming it were an idiom. You could use it to describe situations where a solution was found that significantly eased the completion of a difficult task. For example, once we figured out the software shortcut, it was like having a rope over the pulley for our project. This implies that discovering the shortcut made the project much easier, akin to the mechanical advantage a pulley provides. It's also helpful to learn related expressions that convey similar meanings. Phrases like, a piece of cake, as easy as pie, or smooth sailing, are idioms that express the idea of something being easy to accomplish. Understanding these can enrich your vocabulary and help you express the concept of ease and efficiency in different ways. While rope over the pulley might not be an idiom you'll find in English textbooks, exploring its hypothetical meaning has given us a chance to learn more about idiomatic expressions and the importance of context in language. We hope this video has been informative and has added a new dimension to your understanding of English expressions. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every new phrase you learn is a step forward. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.